How to solve Unacademy app network connection problem. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Unacademy. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Go back to your home screen, open up your settings application. Now go to apps, tap on app management. Now search for Unacademy. Now tap on force stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now go back, tap on data usage and make sure to disable the toggle for disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. Now restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.